Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get your Lloyds Bank activation code. First, open the Lloyds Bank app. When the app opens, you will see two options on the screen. If you already use Lloyds online banking, tap on Login. If this is your first time using online banking, tap on Register and follow the instructions to create your account. After entering your details, the app will begin the security setup process. During this step, a 4-digit activation code will appear on your phone screen. If you want, there is another option for verification. Lloyds Bank will place an automated call to the phone number registered on your account. Answer the call when it comes in. The automated system will ask you to enter the 4-digit code shown on your phone screen. Carefully type the code using your phone keypad. This step confirms that you are the account holder and authorizes the app on your device. Once the code is accepted, the setup process will finish automatically. You will then be logged into the Lloyds Bank app and ready to start using all of its features, including checking your balance, making payments, and managing your account securely from your phone. Thanks for watching.